I just thought to stop by and, with the countdown getting lower, let's try to answer some of your questions. Some people are asking, if I win the DV, are they going to give me a house? Are they going to give me a job or a car? The answer is no. Once you win the diversity visa lottery, you are responsible for every other expenses that come after. The actual application for the DV process is free, unless you hire an agent to do it for you or somebody to do it, and then you have to pay that person, which of course is a service fee that you have to pay to that person. But that money does not go to the embassy or to the US government. So that application process is free. Now, if you win the diversity visa lottery, you have to pay $330. That's going to be paid at your local embassy. I know there's going to be some increment in visa fees, but we don't know whether it's going to affect immigrant visas. I know non-immigrant visa fees beginning this month of May, they're going to be increment, but I'm not sure yet about immigrant visas. You're going to pay for any civil documents that you have to get for you and or your derivative. You will have to pay for all those. So that's up to your own calculation depending on your country and how much is charged for each of those paperwork. And then you're going to pay for your medical, and your medical is done at a specific hospital or clinic designated by your US embassy in your country. You don't just walk into any hospital and do a medical there. And you need to find out from your embassy if your medical has to be mailed directly to them, or you can pick it up and drop it off there while it is sealed, because remember, it cannot be open. It's only open by the embassy. A $220 fee, that's if you're successful after your interview. That's your green card fee. It's $220 US. That's what you're going to have to pay. You're going to pay that money. You can opt to pay it while you're still in your country. That's before your flight, before your departure, or upon arrival in the US. You can decide if you want to pay that while you're back home or when you arrive in the US. You have to pay that because that's actually the fee for your green card processing. For you to be able to receive that card in the mail, that's what you have to pay, that $220 US. And then you have to buy your plane ticket. You and every person coming with you, you have to buy your plane tickets. And then you have to pay or find a host. So those are some of the expenses that come with the diversity visa lottery. And if I forget anyone, if I'm leaving anything out, please let me know down in the comment section. But yeah, those are some of the main expenses that come along with the diversity visa lottery. Any other thing is just regular, anything that you can afford $1 or $2 to cover. But those are the major expenses that come along with it.